His role was not lesser than these three.
I've been a huge Vicky Kaushal fan, and also Siddhant Chaturvedi.
What is that moment when you felt?
I just felt it's not meant for me. And at the same time, I was having a show at Prithvi Theatre. Hi, my name is Soham Majumdar and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
This is Sameer Verma from Badaयूं, UP.
Okay.
If you had a friend like Kabir Singh, would you offer him to marry your sister?
Hi, Sameer. I don't know, man. I really don't know the answer to this question. Would I don't think so. No.
Manjinder from UK, your acting in Kabir Singh was really good. Everyone wants
Thank
a friend
you.
like Shiva. What did you like about Shiva and why and how was it working with Shahid?
Hi, Manjinder. First of all, what I liked about Shiva is that he's so real, he's so unkept, as you have probably seen in the film, and he didn't wear branded clothes or anything like that, which made the character so relatable. That's what I loved about the character, and he's always there for people, and that's how I like to be in real life as well. Other than that, working with Shahid Kapoor is like a dream come true, man. He was like a big brother to me on set, and he taught me so many things about filmmaking and about how to give a shot and how to be 100%. I really learned a lot from him that way, yes.
This is Pankaj Komre. How it was different to play Shiva from the original, where I think the actor played Shiva did the tremendous job and was one of the highlights of the movie.
Hi Pankaj. So I did watch the original film, but what Sandeep sir and I had discussed is that we are not trying to ape anything from the original. We are trying to make a new film. Of course, it's an official remake, and I loved Rahul sir's performance, who was the original Shiva from Arjun Reddy. But I tried to give a different soul to this Shiva because I felt like Kabir's journey is very different from Arjun's journey. So he needed a different Shiva from the original as well. So I don't think I tried to ape a lot of things from the original Shiva. But kudos to him for that performance. That performance actually helped me know as to what is the extent that I can go to while performing for this film.
This is Pradeep Singh Rajput. Bhai, just say he was brilliant as Shiva in Kabir Singh.
Thank you, Pradeep. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anush from Bangalore. What was your first reaction when you were offered the role? Have you done theatre before? What next? By the way, congrats on the success of Kabir Singh and the appreciation you've been getting.
First got the role, I was like, कि ये क्या हो रहा है? Like, is it really happening? Did I just get my first Bollywood break, so to speak? Like I said, I mean, it was unreal. When I met the director also for the first time, I was like, is this real? I was pinching myself all the time, constantly. Like, is this for real? What next? Don't know yet, but soon we'll get to know. Fingers crossed. And I have done a lot of theatre before. I've also done a musical as well called Aladdin. So yeah.
Ankit Jat from Indore.
Okay.
Are you a theatre artist or passed out from any acting institute like FTIA or NSD?
No,
studied
I am a theatre artist, but I have not really taken any formal course from NSD or FTII. But yeah, that's what. Thank you for asking this question.
What is your best scene with Kabir Singh, aka Shahid Kapoor in the film according to you? This is Sambhav Bhatt
I think
from Mumbai.
Sambhav. I think the scene where, like I already mentioned, where he's passed out and I'm trying to wake him up and I'm giving drugs to him to get him back to his consciousness so that he can reach the court. I think that scene was my favorite scene. Other than that, when I visited a single theatre in Kolkata, the response that PMS scene got, I was like, wow, we didn't expect that from that scene for sure.
This is Shivangi from Faridabad. Loved the bond of Shiva and Kabir. How was the experience of working with Shahid? Your fave Shiva and Kabir scene?
Working with Shahid sir, as I said, I mean, it was a dream come true, man. Like, the less I say, the better, because you should just go and watch the film to understand how he was in the film with me. As I said, the favorite scene was the scene where he's passed out and I'm trying to get him back to consciousness in any way possible. So I think that was my favorite scene.
This is Mano Siege from Kolkata.
Oh.
Share one amazing experience on the sets of Kabir Singh you had. What was your first reaction when the film came to you? You've already answered that.
Yeah.
Tell something about your projects. That's something as well that you mentioned.
Yeah, so-
Long way to go, sir. Lots of love and respect for you. Always, sir.
Can I answer this in Bengali since he's from
Please do,
Kolkata?
please do.
মনোশিজ ধন্যবাদ এটার জন্য, কারণ কলকাতার লোকেরা যদি এটা দেখে থাকে তখন মানে আমারই ভালো লাগছে, কারণ এটা কি করে আমি বোঝাবো যে এটা সবচেয়ে বড় পাওনা যে আমার নিজের শহরের লোকেরা এটা গিয়ে দেখেছে। আমার সবচেয়ে ভালো মুহূর্ত যদি আমি বলি সেটা আমার হয়েছে যখন একটা ক্যামেরা অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট এসে আমাকে বলেছিল, স্যার আপনি অনেক আগে যাবেন। ওটাই আমার কাছে সবচেয়ে বড় পাওনা ছিল। দ্যাট ইজ মাই মোস্ট ফেভারিট মোমেন্ট। যখন দ্য সিকিউরিটি পিপল অফ দ্য ফিল্ম ওরা যখন এসে আমার বলতো, স্যার আপনি আর ডায়লগ ডেলিভারি দিতে হো, ওটাই আমার কাছে সবচেয়ে বড় পাওনা ছিল সেটে। সো থ্যাংক ইউ।
Great. This is Shiv from Mangalore. What attracted you to begin career as an actor?
I think the stage attracted me. When the silence of a dark stage, that attracted me to be an actor.
Saurabh Tiwari from Indore. How do you reach the skin of this character?
Following the director's passion. Our director Sandeep sir, his passion is what got me into the skin of the character. Because whatever I knew about the craft and all of that, of course that helped me, but this film was a complete different experience for me as an actor, or whatever I've done in the past. It was a completely different experience for me. Yes, having said that, it is a film and I've only done theatre before this primarily, but it's just the sheer passion of the director which helped me get into the skin of the film, and what he shared about, how he shared about this story and all of that, that helped me to get into the skin of the film.
Vishal from Varanasi. When you first thought that I have to become an actor, what is that moment when you felt?
I was doing an internship in this big MNC because I'm an engineer by education. So when I was doing that, and with all due respect to people who do that, I just felt it's not meant for me. And at the same time, I was having a show at Prithvi Theatre, which is in Bombay. And when I stepped onto that stage, I was like, I cannot be anything else. I have to become an actor somehow or the other. So yeah.
This is Mohammad Hassan. Just show him and tell him that his role was not lesser than these three. So this is basically Gully Boy, Rais and Sanju.
Yeah. So
So he's
thank
saying
you so much. I mean, I've seen this somewhere, and all of these performances, like I've been a huge Vicky Kaushal fan, and also Siddhant Chaturvedi. He did a fabulous job in Gully Boy as well. So being even in the same envelope as them is like, it's too much for me. So thank you so much for this. Thank you. Hi, my name is Soham Majumdar and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.